Think your backyard is wild. The ocean is playing an entirely different game. The ocean covers over 70% of Earth, yet we've mapped less of it than the surface of Mars. Entire ecosystems live in absolute darkness, powered by chemicals, not sunlight. Gigantic animals that glow, fish with transparent heads, forests of creatures made of glass. Real life stranger than fiction stuff. We've only scratched the surface. Entire mountain ranges, canyons deeper than Colorado, ancient microbes that rewrite the rules of life. Some parts of the seafloor have never seen human eyes. They hold clues to climate history, new medicines, and maybe species we can't even imagine. And it's changing, fast. Warming, acidification, noise are pushing mysterious lives toward the unknown. So next time you think you know Earth, remember, the ocean is the biggest mystery left on our planet, and it's right beneath our feet. Want more ocean mysteries? Hit follow and dive deeper.